Our top story at this hour, the Supreme Court has issued notices to senior BJP leaders L.K. Advani, Murli Manohar Joshi, Uma Bharti, Kalyan Singh and others in the Babri Masjid demolition conspiracy case. The notices have been issued to the CBI along with 21 BJP and VHP leaders. The court was hearing a petition filed by Haji Mahmood, who is the defendant in the original title suit. The petitioner wants charges of criminal conspiracy to be brought against these leaders. The matter has been adjourned for 4 weeks, and that's how long the leaders have to respond to the notices. The court was also hearing the CBI's appeal challenging the 2010 Allahabad High Court verdict, discharging senior leaders of the BJP and Hindu outfits on charges of criminal conspiracy in the demolition of the Babri Masjid on 6 December 1992. The CBI has sought more time to file a better affidavit explaining the merits of the case in its appeal. And this is what the petitioner in this case had to say.
उस जमाने में भी जब इंडिया सरकार तो अडवाणी जी को इस केस से अलग करना चाहते थे, लेकिन उस वक्त भी मैं और जिलानी साहब इनके पर रिट दायर करके फिर इनको मुलजिम बनाया और वो आज तक रायबरेली केस में ये मुलजिम बरकरार हैं। आज जब सेंट्रल में भाजपा सरकार आई, उस वक्त अब राजनाथ जी जो हैं गृह मंत्री हैं, सीबीआई उन्हीं के अंडर में काम करती है। फिर ये आवाज उठाई गई कि इनको इस केस से निकाल दिया जाए। आज उनको पद्म भूषण, एक मुलजिम को पद्म भूषण का खिताब दिया जाता है, शर्म की बात है। लेकिन फिर जाके मैं सुप्रीम कोर्ट में दायर किया और वो मंजूर हो गई है। अब आज उसकी सुनवाई है, अल्लाह जाने क्या होता है, लेकिन मैं यही कोशिश करूंगा कि ये एज ए मुलजिम बने रहें और जब तक हमारा फैसला सुप्रीम कोर्ट से नहीं होता, ये एज ए मुलजिम रहें।
Well, you heard the petitioner there reacting to the court notices that have been issued to some senior BJP leaders and several others on his petition, where he has in fact sought addition of charges of criminal conspiracy against these leaders. Remember, in 2010, the Allahabad High Court gave its verdict in the Babri Masjid demolition conspiracy case, discharging these leaders. That verdict has been challenged by the CBI. The court took up the CBI's appeal challenging that verdict of the Allahabad High Court today. At the same time, the court also took up the petition of Haji Mahmood, who wants charges of criminal conspiracy to be brought against these leaders of the BJP in the Babri demolition case.